All right, weather-wise.
Okay. Weather-wise. It was nice to see the sunshine today. I wasn't sure where we were going with this.
Baby.
It's only Wednesday. Lots of sunshine. We made it into the 80s. Right now, in Indianapolis, we have 79. We're still in the 80s. Noblesville, Fishers, Carmel, Greenfield. It's going to be a nice, warm evening, and it will be dry. A few clouds passing through, but the closest area of rain still developing out to our west, and the severe weather threat well to our southwest. Tornado watches, a severe thunderstorm watch, East Texas into Louisiana, southern Arkansas. For us, we'll keep a close eye on what's developing in western Illinois, but right now, not forecast to get here. The severe threat tonight comes to the state line. However, it crosses the state line during the day tomorrow and covers the southern half of the state. A day to stay weather aware, and a day you're going to need the umbrella. Let's get to the timeline. Future Track 13 shows 5 a.m. the leading edge of the rain and storms crossing the state line. Looks to impact the morning drive. That's tomorrow at 8 a.m. Showers, maybe a couple of heavier thunderstorms. Then we think the clouds, the showers, the storms will stabilize the atmosphere just enough that it should limit any widespread severe weather. We'll definitely keep you posted tomorrow, and be prepared for the showers to stick around even through early Friday. Friday at the track, we have qualifying for the Grand Prix, which is Saturday. Speaking of Saturday, it's Kids Day, the rookie run. Monument Circle, come down, say hi. We're going to be there, and a temperature change on the way as well. Rain and storms, 72 tomorrow. You'll need the jackets and maybe the umbrella as we head into the weekend. 60 on Friday, morning sun, later day rain Saturday, hoping it gets out in time for Mother's Day. Mother's Day is going to be cool with a shower chance in 62.